Busy day?
Not much time, but you still want to practice your English a little?
Then this episode is for you.
Welcome to our new mini shadowing series. Short, calm, and easy to follow.
Today we'll practice 50 simple English sentences for small talk and everyday conversations.
So, whether you're drinking coffee, walking somewhere, or just taking a short break, stay with the voice and repeat the sentences with us.
No pressure, just listen and repeat.
How was your weekend?
How was your weekend? I'm still a little tired today. I'm still a little tired today.
That sounds really interesting.
That sounds really interesting. We usually come here after work. We usually come here after work.
Do you work near here?
Do you work near here? She seems very friendly. She seems very friendly. I don't know many people here yet. I don't know many people here yet. That's actually a good question. That's actually a good question. He always arrives early. He always arrives early. I'm trying to speak more English. I'm trying to speak more English.
What do you usually do on weekends?
What do you usually do on weekends?
They were talking about travel.
They were talking about travel. I need a second to think. I need a second to think. That cafe looks really nice. That cafe looks really nice. We should do that sometime. We should do that sometime. I'm a little nervous in big groups. I'm a little nervous in big groups. How do you know each other? How do you know each other? She works in a small office downtown. She works in a small office downtown. I didn't understand that at first. I didn't understand that at first. That happens to me sometimes too. That happens to me sometimes too. He asked me a simple question. He asked me a simple question. I can answer slowly. I can answer slowly. We talked for almost an hour. We talked for almost an hour. Do you come here often? Do you come here often? That was actually pretty fun. That was actually pretty fun. They seemed very relaxed. They seemed very relaxed. I forgot the word for a moment. I forgot the word for a moment. How long have you lived here? How long have you lived here? She laughed and continued the conversation. She laughed and continued the conversation. I think I understand now. I think I understand now. That kind of situation feels familiar. That kind of situation feels familiar. We stayed there a little longer. We stayed there a little longer. He looked surprised for a second. He looked surprised for a second. I'm getting more comfortable speaking. I'm getting more comfortable speaking. What are you doing later today? What are you doing later today? They asked for directions at the station. They asked for directions at the station. That's not as difficult as I thought. That's not as difficult as I thought. I just needed a little more time. I just needed a little more time. She answered very calmly. She answered very calmly. We can sit over there if you want.
We can sit over there if you want. How was your day today?
How was your day today? That's a very normal feeling. That's a very normal feeling.
He started smiling after the conversation.
He started smiling after the conversation.
I don't need perfect English. I don't need perfect English. They were very patient with me. They were very patient with me.
What kind of music do you like?
What kind of music do you like?
We should grab coffee sometime.
We should grab coffee sometime.
That was a really nice conversation. That was a really nice conversation. I didn't expect us to talk for so long. I didn't expect us to talk for so long. It was nice talking to you today. It was nice talking to you today.
And that's already 50 sentences.
Nicely done.
And honestly, if you stayed with us until the end today, you already did something important. Even with a busy day, you still practiced your English.
You showed up, you used your voice, and you kept going sentence by sentence.
No excuses, just a few minutes of real practice. And if you learned with us today, write this in the comments. I practiced today.
Or if you repeated all 50 sentences, write 50 sentences complete.
And tell us, should we make more mini episodes like this? And if this episode helped you practice today, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That really helps us continue the podcast and create more calm English listening practice for you.
So you can keep listening, keep speaking, and keep building confidence step by step.
Thanks for practicing with us today.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.